Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on themes. Now tap on themes at the bottom left corner if they are not already on, and tap on this loop at the top right one. Now you can type wherever you are still, like wolf. After that, pick the best theme for you. I will go with that one. Choose download. Wait a bit. And tap on apply. As you can see, theme of my Samsung has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, scroll down and tap on themes again. If you wish to go back into your default one, click on menu at the bottom right corner, select my stuff over here, choose default theme and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!